Today let's bake rainbow cookies. The ingredients are mixed flour, butter, chocolate, buttons, and egg. Let's put the flour. Then the butter. Then let's break the eggs. Now let's mix. We will use our cookie sheet. I have here my brother and we will form a soft dough. I'll scoop the dough and Brad will put it in the cookie sheet. Just like this.
Time to preheat the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now let's add the yummy chocolate buttons.
This is what it looks like.
And we will bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. The rainbow cookies are now cooked. Now our cookies are cooked. Using the turner, let's remove them from the cookie sheets.